one more thing I did forget to mention is you can still cut out small sections. So say you're working with, I don't know, rods and pipes and stuff and doors like I am here. There are 2 windows here. What I like to do is, I won't do it now, it takes too long, but stab a hole through the center of each one. There's a rod here where the wing spar goes, and servo wires that go in there. Stick a hole through the center and cut out the edge, leave a bit of overlap, and then cut the corners, and then work your iron in there and wrap it around. Yeah, same with the door. Yeah, I think that's pretty much covers everything. Cool.